Tedo Peterside, the founder of Stanbic IBTC and ANAP Foundation, says linking the resolution to ban open grazing in the South with rights to free movement of persons is disingenuous. On Wednesday, Abubakar Malami, Attorney General of the Federation, criticized the resolve to ban open grazing by southern governors, saying it is equivalent to prohibiting spare parts trading in the north. It is about constitutionality within the context of the freedoms expressed in our constitution. Can you deny the rights of a Nigerian? Malami said. For example, it is as good as saying perhaps maybe the northern governors coming together to say they prohibit spare part trading in the north. Does it hold water? Does it hold water for a northern governor to come and state expressly that he now prohibits spare parts trading in the north? Malami's comments came on the heels of the resolution of governors in the south to ban open grazing and the movement of cattle by foot after a meeting in Asaba, Delta State last Tuesday. Reacting to the development, Peterside via a tweet on Thursday said freedom of movement of persons does not extend to cattle. It is disingenuous to link a ban on open grazing to the constitutional right of the free movement of persons, he said. The latter does not extend to the free movement of cattle, goat, sheep, etc. through farms with the attendant destruction of somebody's harvest. This Malami has just exposed the north, and I think Ohanese said he has been able to expose Buhari's regime and what they have in mind. You know, people always talk about the agenda, this agenda. They are the ones who are always bringing themselves out and be, talking some kind of a thing. You'll just be surprised that why are these people like this? Well, it is very shameful that it is now Nigerians that are interpreting the provision of Constitution to the Attorney General and Minister of Justice, Mr. Malami, because he has lost focus and dabbled into politics. Thank you so much, Mr. Steve Peterside, for teaching the Attorney General. I am not surprised we are in this mess with this caliber of cretins in such significant positions, and any new wig would give far balanced comment. So sad. Please stop talking. Let us act now and stop the evil Fulani people. Shame, 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 shame. Imagine a whole Attorney General of a country thinking like a cow. Well said, bam. Cow brain up and down. Malami is a real goat and he is a Nigerian AGF. This is the lowest any nation can go. Do you mean greatest of all time or Obuko Ewu? Do you blame Malami? He is not educated. After all, his snapship was given to him because of quota system, not by merit, just to make it look like the NBA are not against the North. He is a Fulani terrorist in political office. I don't even blame his ranting. Who made this man an Attorney General of the Federation? Let the North ban spare parts in their regions. Let's know who will suffer it. Mad people everywhere. Don't expect anything good from the terrorist group of people. It is only terrorists that we in support of open grazing in the south. Enough is enough. The Malami is not supposed to be a leader. He is not qualified to hold any position in this country. So I concur. Sir, I concur with you. It is a pity that AGF Malami is a big fool. The Attorney General recent statement is nothing but an animal talk. Don't mind this northern lawyer. He will soon begin to practice his rude or native law he studied with his brothers. Clueless figurehead, another senior advocate of nonsense. Allah Jaga. Okay, Jaga Kruna. Too much talking does not allow action. Worry does not stop hunger until you eat. If nothing done now, the southerners, the suffering will continue. The atrocities of these herdsmen is beyond measures. They must be stopped, else we continue complaining. San comparing human movement with animals movement, and this is coming from AGF. This is how you will continue to mislead the government. May God help us. It's unfortunate. It's really unfortunate. Well, they need to tutor him. Maybe he didn't do law 101. I don't know what they call it, whether law 101. He didn't do it. So they are talking about human being. This man is talking about cow. They want to come and argue is bringing it from the technicality angle that yes, so animals have their place. That is it. They have their place. You cannot just be going up and down. They are not talking about that is to tell you that they are just partisan and they are the nepotistic in nature. The atrocity that these people have been committed, they don't talk about it. They will just come out from their enclaves and begin to yarn or patter. But this man has even disgraced himself. All over the world, everybody has even heard him. Well, even in the north, some pure Hausas Muslims don't want to see Fulani in their village. If not, northern has turned law of this country to something else. Wetin concern cow concerning law, concern law animal for that matter. It is only him read law for this country. I'm ashamed of hearing all this. It's very shameful. Of course, they don't get shame. Oh. Now you dey shame. Oh, they don't get shame. Oh. These people don't get shame at all. They don't get shame. Even if they know what they are doing, they don't even care. Because they think they can cow everybody. I think everybody is beginning to speak out because this idea of keeping them quiet, they have been issuing a lot of statements before now, and people do keep them quiet, especially people from the north. They do keep them quiet. So Malami himself is a goat trying to protect his fellow cow right for movement, educate the Mugun Hausa. This man is unfit for high esteem office of the Attorney General of a family, talk less of a nation. It's Malami. Oh. Don't he has brought himself up again. He's the one that is trending so fast and bringing spare parts dealers. What has that got to do with them? Beasts can always behave like beasts, or do you think that there's a difference between Malami and those cow? Nothing. Okay, now let farmers allowed to own lions and tigers to move freely around them farms by law. Imagine Attorney General could say something like that. It's so shameful. So shameful. Thank God that there are many intelligent to reply the Attorney General. As rightly pointed out, freedom of movement for persons does not apply to cattle, goats, sheep, and so on. And selling of spare parts in the market cannot be equated with selling cows. Moreover, the South is not saying you should not take your cows to their market, but transport it and those graze openly. Why would someone be so daft to understand this, or is it just a mischief? They know what they are doing. They don't want to talk about the other side, the reason why. They are not even asking that, why are you telling them? If the people who are banning it do not have reasons now, it would have been a different thing, that we don't just want them to be grazing openly. Then why? Then people say they will not say nothing. Then you can come up with that. But nobody's talking about those people who do this. But they always like to twist it.